Good morning, children. Welcome to Melu Classroom. Are you ready for the new learning today? Yes, very good, children. So, are you keep reading and writing? Nice. So, you should do that every day. Okay. Now, today's lesson is about numbers. Okay. We have learned from 1 to 10. Today is our next class. Okay. Let's get into it and see what all things we are going to learn. Okay. Right. Now, we are going to learn numbers from 11 to 15. Okay. We have already learned till number 10. Am I right? So, let us recap one more time by clapping our hands. Okay, children? Yes. Now, clap with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Now the next number is 11. Okay? I will show you how 11 look like, and you already know the identification of numbers. Am I right? Now let us see here. Now let us identify the numbers. See here, children. What is this number? It is 11. 1, 1, 11. And what is this number? It is, yes, 12. 1, 2, 12. And about this number, it is 13. 1, 3, 13. And what is this number? It is, yes, 14. 1, 4, 14. And this is, yes, 15. 1, 5, 15. Now let us see one more time. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. Now let us see one more time. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, children, we have recognized the numbers, right? Let us see what makes the numbers, which numbers we should join together. See here. 1 and 1 makes 11. 1, 1, 11. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. Yes, now we understood what makes the numbers, right? Now let us see how to write on the panel and counting. Yes, children, now which number can you see on the panel? It is 11, right? So how to write? We will trace it. Just you need to write 1, 1, 11. See here. 1, 1, 11. Okay, children, one more time. 1, 1, 11. Yes, now we will do counting. We have bright orange color. Oranges are here. So let us count how many are there. Okay, count with me, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now let us count one more time by writing number on the orange. Okay, is it interesting? Yes, so that we will have a recap on the numbers one more time. Now our job is to count and write. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and now we are learning 11. 1, 1, 11. Yes, how many oranges are there, children? Yes, 11 oranges are there, and this is 11. 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. Now let's see what is number 12 and how to write it, then counting. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Now what is the number you can see? Yes, 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. Now let's trace the number 1 to 12. First you need to write number 1, then 2. 1, 2, 12. One more time. 1, 2, 12. Okay, children? 1 and 2 makes the number 12. Now let us count wheels. Okay, we have some wheels and let us know how many are there in number. Okay, come with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, children? So, one more time we will count with the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now we will count by writing the numbers on the wheels. Okay. Observe me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 1, 2, 12. How many wheels are there, children? Yes, 12 wheels are there. Now you got to know what is number 12 and how to write it. Am I right? Yes. Now let's move on to next number, that is 13. Can you see this number, children? Yes. What is that number? It is 13. Right? What makes 13? 1, 3. 13. 1, 3. 13. Right? So what we should write first? Yes, number 1 we should write first, then number 3. 1 and 3 makes number 13. So let us write once. 1, 3, 13. One more time. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. Right. Now we have colorful kites are there. Let us count how many are there. Okay. Count with me, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now let's do writing. Okay, we will write on the kites by counting, so that one more recap will be done for writing the numbers what all you learned till now. Okay, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and now 13. Okay, how many kites are there, children? 13 kites. And what makes the number 13? It is 1 and 3. 1, 3, 13. Now let us move on to 14. What is there on the panel, children? Which number can you see? It is 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. So shall we write once? How we can write 14? Yes, we should write number 1 first, then 4. 1, 4, 14. One more time. 1, 4, 14. 1, 4, 14. And now we have candles here. Our job is to count them. Are they 14 or not? Let us count and we'll see how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now what we do next? Yes, we should write. We'll write by counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Yes, there are 14 candles, right? Now, let us move to 15. Hope you all got 11, 12, 13 and 14. Yes, how to write and which number to write first. Okay, children? Yes, let us move on to number 15. See, children, what can you see on the panel? Yes, it is 1, 5, 15. And let us learn how to write it. 1, 5, 15. Okay, one more time. 1, 5, 15. Now we have teddy bears. Okay, blue and yellow teddy bears are there. Let us count and check whether there are 15 or not. Okay, here we have teddy bears, right? Blue and yellow teddy bears are there. Let us count them and check whether there are 15 teddy bears are there or not. Okay, now count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Right, there are 15 teddy bears. Now we will write by counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and now we are learning 15, right? 1, 5, 15. Yes, now we understood the numbers 11 to 15. We have identified and have written, then counted also. Now let us write in the box rule book, children. Okay? Now you have to keep ready your box rule and pencil. Yes, children, I am ready with the box rule. And you can see 3 cups over here, right? And are you thinking what it is and why it is for? I'll tell you, don't worry. Okay? Now first we will write the number 11. How to write 11, children? It is 1, 1, 11, right? And we have already learned tens place and ones place. Am I right? Did you remember? Yes. First we will write tens place, then ones place. What comes under tens place? 1, and in ones place also 1. 1, 1, 11, right? So we will write few more times. 1, 1, 11. 1, 1, 11. Now we have written 11 number, but see here, under tens place we have written 1 and under ones place we have written 1. That makes the number 11. 1, 1, 11. So in this, how many tens are there? See here, under 10 we have written 1. So 1 10. And how many ones are there? Only 1, right? 1 10 and 1 1. I'll show you by counting these popsicle sticks. See here, this is a tens cup, children. And this is ones cup. This is tens cup. This is ones cup. Okay. Now we have 1 10 and 1 1 in the number 11. Am I right? So 1 10 means we should drop 10 popsicle sticks. Am I right? Yes. So let us drop it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this 10 popsicle sticks together, one bundle, that is 110. And how many ones are there in the number 11? 1 1, right? So this one we should drop in the ones place. Okay, children? Yes. So how many tens? 1 10, 1 1. 1 10 means 10, right? 1 1 means it's only 1, that's all. Okay, single object. So here 1 10, 1 1. This will become a bundle. This is one bundle and this is a single one. This is single one. So 1 10, 1 1, which makes number 11. Right. Now let us see the number name. Now let us write number 12. Okay. So first you have to write tens and ones, children. Okay. Tens, tens, ones. Okay. Now under tens place we must write 1. Under ones place we must write 2. So now this is number 12. So how many tens are there? 1. How many ones are there? 2. Now let's write few more times. Okay. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. Okay. So we have already understood that we have 1 10 and 2 ones. Okay. Let us drop the popsicle sticks and bundle them. See here. So how many tens are there? Only 1 10. Okay, so in this tens cup, we should drop 10 popsicles. That makes 1 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is 1 10. And how many ones are there? 2 ones are there. So we need to drop 2 popsicle sticks in the ones place. 1, 2. Okay children, hope you understood how many tens and how many ones are there in the number 12. Yes, now we will learn the number name. What is the number name for 12? It is T W E L V E 12. One more time. T W E L V E 12. 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 This is a number name for 12 children. You keep, read and write. Children, now the next number is 13. Okay. What makes number 13? It is 1 and 3. Right. Now let us see where to write number 1 and where to write number 3. Tens and ones. Right. So we should write 1 under tens place and 3 under ones place. So 1, 3, 13. So shall we write 13 for 5 times? Yes. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. 1, 3, 13. Now we will understand how many ones are there and how many tens are there. See here, under 10 we have 1, right? So 1 10. How many ones are there? 3 ones. So shall we drop in this tens and ones cups? Yes. See, we have 1 10. So how many we should drop in the first cup? That is tens cup. 10 popsicles, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And how many ones we have in number 13? 3, right? So 3 in the ones cup. 1, 2, 3. Right children? Yes. Now we will see the number name for 13. See here children. To write 13, we should write T H I R teen. T E E N 13. Okay, THIRTEEN, 13. Okay, let us practice this, and while writing, please read and write. THIRTEEN, 13. THIRTEEN, 13. THIRTEEN, 13. Yes. Now let us read one more time. THIRTEEN, 13. Okay, children. Now we have learned about number 11, 12 and 13. Now let's move on to 14. The next number is 14, right? Now we should understand which number should comes under tens place and which number should comes under ones place. And how to write 14? It is 1 and 4, right? 14. Now let us understand tens and ones. See here, tens and ones, right? So what I wrote under tens place? 1, and under ones place there is 4. So now we should understand that in number 14 there is 1 10 and 4 ones. Okay, children? Yes, 1 10 and 4 ones. Now let us practice the number writing first. So 1 4 14, 1 4 14, 1 4 14, 1 4 14. Okay, now we have to drop the popsicles based on the tens and ones in number 14. So as we all understood that there is 1 10, right? So in the tens cup, how many we should drop? Yes, how many popsicles we should drop? Yes, 10 popsicles, right? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, 110 is there in the 14. And how many ones? 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones are there. Right. Hope you understood how to write tens and ones. Now we will know about the number name. So to write 14 number name, we should write FOURTEEN, 14. FOURTEEN, 14. Now let us complete the other 3 also. So when you are writing, read and write. FOURTEEN, 14. Okay, children, did you complete? Yes, let us read once. FOURTEEN, 14. Okay, now let's move on to 15. Now the next number is 15. Okay, let us see what we have to write under tens and what we have to write under ones. Tens and ones. So to write number 15, we should write 1 then 5, right? So 1 comes under tens and 5 comes under ones. So what did you understand by writing like this? In number 15, there is 1 10 and 5 ones are there. Okay. So what we have to do in this tens and ones cups? We should drop 10 in the tens cup and 5 in the ones cup. Am I right, children? So shall we drop? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And how many should be dropped in the ones cup? Yeah, there are 5 ones. So 5 popsicles we should drop. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Right. Now let us write or practice number 15. So how to write? We all know, right? What we should write? 1 and 5. 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. 1, 5, 15. And now what is the number name for 15, children? It is F I F T E E N. 15. Okay, practice. F I F T E E N. 15. 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 Okay, children, this is the number name for 15. Okay, children, this is the number name for 15. Now we will have one recap of all the numbers and all the number names, right, children? Now let's have a recap of numbers 11 to 15 along with the number names, children. Okay, you also write along with me. So first number that we have learned in this session is 11, right? 1, 1, 11. And the number name is E L E V E N. 11. And after 11 we have 12. What is the number name for this? T W E L V E. 12. After 12 we learnt about number 13. Number name for this is T H I R T E E N. 13. Next we have learnt about 14, right? F O U R T E E N. 14. Then the last number in this session is 15, right? Number name is F I F T E E N. 15. Okay, so these are the numbers and number names we have learned, right, children? And hope you understood what is tens place and what is ones place and what comes under tens and what comes under ones and how can we segregate or sort out into tens and ones. Yes? Right, now we will move on to next segment. Yes children, let us do an activity on number 11. Okay, so what can you see on the panel? There is a house, right? And house has some windows. Am I right? Can you see windows? See here, windows are there. Right, now our task is to count the windows and color them. Okay children, so let us count how many windows are there and we will color only 2 windows. Okay, right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many windows are there for the house? 11 windows are there. Now our job is to color at least 2 windows. Okay, let us color these 2 windows. Okay children? Yes. Yes, so we are done with the 2 windows coloring. Yes, now we will move on to one more activity for number 15. Okay. Yes children, what can you see on the panel? You can see so many animals, right, riding in the train. And now our job is to count the animals on each train. How many trains we have? 2 trains. This is one train and this is one train. We need to check in which train we have 15 animals in number, and that train has to be ticked with a right mark. Okay, so let us count the animals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, in the first train we have only 7 animals. So this is not the right train what we are looking for. We will check with the one more train. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this train has 15 animals, right? And this is what we are looking for. So this train is a correct train. So what we should do? We should put a tick mark. Yes, our activity is done. And we have come to an end of the session, children. So let us quickly recap what we have learnt in this, right? So from the beginning, we have learnt the numbers 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15, right? We have identified the letters, understood tens and ones concept, and we have also understood that which number has to be written under tens and which number has to be written under ones. We have practiced number writing, counted and learnt the number name, and we have done 2 activities, right? So hope you understood all the number writing along with the number names. Okay children, right, you keep practicing what all I taught today. Okay, I am going to see you in the next class. Bye bye.